What's up, YouTube? Got us some new Spitfire Formula 1s. Spitfire Classics 52s. Yeah. So anyway, hey, welcome to another video, man. Alright, man, what's up? So anyway, man, the Santa Claus bring you some new wheels, some new Spitfire wheels. Yeah, Santa Claus came early for us. So anyway, you did get some new wheels. Came to the right spot, because today, with the skateboarding knowledge, I'm gonna show you how to change the wheels the awesome way. Alright, man. Only thing you need is a 1/2-inch wrench. So this nice little Spitfire tool here. All you need is this part, the 1/2-inch. You get the 1/2-inch, and 9/16. 1/2-inch goes here, the wheel, and 9/16 go on the truck, and the 3/8 go on your bolts, hardware. That's it. And of course, your new skateboard wheels. So right here is a Formula 4 99 Duro. 99 Duro, dude. So before you start trying to be all cool and shit, you know, saying Duro and all that, make sure you know what you're talking about, you know. So Duro is short for durometer. Durometer means it's the hardness of the wheels, okay? So that's what it is. It's the hardness of the wheels. So, unbeatable lasting performance, urethane. Burn forever. So it says right here, as you can see, 52 millimeters, 99 Duro. Never trust don't trust this, okay? So you got this from Zoomies, assorted color, classics, 99D, green and white, $42.95. Got this at Zoomies, accent green, made in Mexico, made in Mexico. Yeah. So as you can see, it's not as white, right? Yeah, because what happened is you could tell it's been in the, on the shelf for a while, because it's not that white. So what you do is you want your wheels to be white, you gotta keep it inside like a dark damp room. Here we go. Spitfire Formula 4 52 millimeter Classics. See, it's kind of like beigeish. Yeah. It's gonna have it out like that, or in. We're gonna have it out. 2. Oh, this is the best part right here. Now we gotta stick it for our helmet. That's the best part. Hell yeah. Learn to burn. Keeping that bad boy for sure. So we have classics. These are the classics. So we have Formula 4 unbeatable lasting performance Spitfire urethane. Fast as hell, long lasting. Abrasion resistance, smooth anti-slick, stick slide with a controllable grip, guaranteed. So we have the classics. That's what we got right now. The classics, the number wheel shape in skateboarding, medium width riding surface with round sidewalls, designed for control in all situations. So you have sizes from 50 all the way up to 60. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 58, and 60. So no 57 or 59. Alright, I don't know what that riding means. 14.5, 15, 15, I don't know. Width, 30, 31, whatever. You have the OG classics. It's the classics. Anyway, you can read all that shit if you want in the tablets. We're not here to promote Spitfire wheels, and we're just gonna show you how to change your wheels. So these are different ones you can get, conicals, just in case you want to get different sizes, you know. All shapes available in 99 and 101. I want the 101 of your thing, but yeah. So the higher the number, that means the harder it is. The harder they fall. Alright. Alright. We're just gonna do one. Showed you how to do one. So all we need to do is one. And that's it. Alright, let's go right here. Okay. Let's go. So first things first, get your wrench, 1/2-inch wrench, and pick the wheel apart. Some wheels are really hard, okay, to make sure you don't lose nothing. There should be 2 outside washer and inside washer. So you have the nut. Okay. You have the nut. And softly, you have the washer. Okay. Then you have the inside washer, which you don't need to take out, but anyway, this is gonna show you the completion. So what you do is you go halfway in like this. Okay, you go like this, just barely in, and then you just pull like this. Look. Oh, it's gonna be a, oh man, this is gonna be a bitch. Sometimes you have to twist it. Okay. Oh, it's in there. Or maybe you have to pull this. Oh, we gotta do this on the ground. Hold on. That's the only thing with these hard wheels is sometimes you have to do it on the ground, man. Like this. Gotta really like stand it up maybe. And you might have to use 2 hands. Okay? See? It's like that. And you should have this you should use this bearing spacer. A lot of people don't use it. You can get these at the Bones Wheels website. Now, get the other one, turn it around. Okay. There you go. Alright, get back to the table. Okay, you should have, so you should have the nut, washer, bearing. A lot of people don't have these. Like I said, you can order these from Bones You know, Bones place. Bones Wheels. They sell these. That's why I got those. Let me see if I got some packages. Hold on. Yeah, because of the shipping cost, you should order like a couple. I've ordered 4. See, they come in a tube like this. See it? Come in a tube like this. Bearing spacer hop up kit 4-pack. Yeah, that's what it's called. So yeah, we got 4 of these. Up kit. Up kitty cat. Yeah. Yeah, so they come in like that. Yeah, you get these from Bones Wheels. So the reason is because if you look inside your, in here, between here and here, okay, where your spacer goes, see how they have the little space right there? Like here in California, there's no big deal. But I remember in hot places like Arizona, you would have problems because the inside here would start melting because it gets so hot, it melts. So then your bearing would go. You're in like that, but they get closer and closer and closer. So when you put the spacers on, see if you have the spacers, let's see. See when you have the spacers in there? It's always gonna be true, you know? See? Plus when you hit your wheel, when you land primo, right? See it jams in? Because if you think about it, see you want it to be in see the race there? See? The race. So when it hits, you want it to spin on that. That's why it's very, 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 very important to get those spacers. When you buy, like I think the Bronson ceramics and stuff like that, or you know the high, at least like the $30 and up bearings. These are Swiss. These are bone Swiss. Yeah, take the covers off. These were $60. See the cage inside? That's what makes it expensive. See the cage that holds the bearing? It's like real steel, you know? Real steel. That's why they're so expensive. Plus the bones and the Bronsons, they come with these, so don't throw these away. So anyway, these are about I think they're about $2 each, something like that. But the shipping is like $6, so that's why you know when you buy a bunch of them, you know, like buy like, oh, I got hair on it. Buy like you know, buy like $20 worth, you know. So yeah, that's what they look like. I mean, without my hair on it. The hair is extra, okay? Yeah. So remember, so you got the inside washer, bearing spacer, bearing, another spacer, and then the nut. It's called, yeah, bearing spacer. Yep. Yeah. So you can, like I said, you can buy these. You can get these at boneswheels.com. So anyway, so let's look at the wheels here. These are the classics, Spitfire classics formulas. Yeah. Come on. Come on, man. I think the guy, the tattoo dude, I think he took this and scanned it. Look. Looks almost same size, right? Yeah. Yeah, so anyway. So there, 99 Duro. Make sure you know what Duro means. Durometer, okay? I hate how people just like try and be cool, you know? They even make videos like how to sound cool. Yo, man, I like your tray flip, dude. Are those 99 Duro, man? Formula 4 Duro, dude. Are those fucking 99 Duro? Duro, no, that's 99 euro, man. 99 euro for 99 Duro. So yeah, so here's how we do it. I don't know if we could press it in up here. We could try. I don't think it will. Let's get back to the ground again. So I remember when Tony Hawk used to have his tour. I remember this guy was like, "Hey, dude." He's like, "Yo, Tony, what's up, man?" He's like, "Yeah, man. I love how you did the 9, bro. I love how you do the 9, bro." So usually you put the washer on. So whatever side you want out, okay, you do that one in. So see, I'm gonna put this side out. So you do this side in. Okay. So get your washers. Oh, I didn't tell you about the washers. See, sometimes these trucks right here, inside here, right here, they're not like there might be a little like, I don't know, not shards or whatever, but it's not like they didn't take their time. Depends who, you know, it depends the day of the week. If it's a Monday or Friday, most likely they're not gonna grind it in for you, so they'll be sticking out a little bit. That's the reason why you need these washers. So you put the washers in there. That way your wheel is kinda, your bearing doesn't like hit this right here. Okay, so you put the washers in there. Put the washers. And I'm gonna put, I want the bearing to be facing out, or inside and outside. So we're gonna do this. Okay. And I'm gonna do the bearing inside so that it's facing out of the wheel. Okay. So then we push this on. Like I said, I'm gonna do this one out. So we're gonna do in to get that. Push. You can push it like this down, or you could hit it with your feet like this. Okay. You you do with your feet. Alright? Like this. Okay? Or you push it down. Okay? Like that. See? And now, same thing with this. In. Now this time we're going to put the spacers in. And then, the spacers in. Don't forget the spacers, okay? And we're going to do this. Just like that. Okay? And then, you can push it down. Like that. With both hands. With your palm like this. Down on the ground. Like that. Okay? Let's get back to the table. Now what you want to do is put the other spacer in. Okay, and then put the nut on. Don't do it with your hand first, okay? And now get the wrench, get the tool, tighten it. Just tighten it all the way. Crank it all the way down. Okay? Crank it all the way down. See it? Super tight. See now, because we have the spacers, you're not gonna crush your bearings because the spacers will keep your bearings from crushing. See that? That's all the way. Look. Look. No movement at all. See? See that? Look at that. But what I do is I like the sound of the looseness. So what I do is I loosen it like 45. See right here? Let's see. Okay, right here. So I put it like that. And I'm gonna turn it this way just to right here. Okay? Turn it to right there. See? Listen. Listen. See? Depends how loose you want it. Listen. Okay? I like it about 45. You could go more. Some people like it more. But for me, that's good. Oh shit. See? See, I like it like that. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put the rest of it together and we'll come back. Okay? Alright, man. Yeah. Now we do this one. Yeah, it's crazy how much skateboard wheels went up. You know? You know what I mean? Used to be cheap. Got no more, man. Not no more. Hey, boy! Come here. Say hi, boy. Boy's here. Alright, so put this one in. This one in. Hi, boy. What you doing, boy? Put the washer, the nut. Got the boy here, gotta go feed my boy. Gotta go feed my boy. Tighten it all the way. All the way. 90, here. Right there. Alright. Be back. Let me go feed the boy. Go feed my boy. Where did he go? Where are you, boy? Where'd he go? Hey. Where'd my cat go? Oh, there he is. Oh, I didn't see him. Sorry, boy. Come here. Come here. You got it. Come on, boy. Alright, had to go feed the cat. Feed the cat. Feed the kitty cat. Feed the kitty cat. Feed the kitty cat. The nut. Washer. They make bearing presses too. You can't, sometimes they're kind of hard to take out. Especially like if the bearing's been there for a while, you know. Down, face down like a clown. Stick your shoes off if you want. Look. That's how you do it too. That's another way. Nah, probably best way is just stomp on it. Stomp on it is the best way. Oh. Now where'd that washer go? Uh-oh. Great. I lost the washer. Damn it. Alright, so remember, don't have it in your hand when you're stomping. I actually lost the washer. I don't know what it is. This is a have extras. I'll find it. When I'm sitting around, you'll see, like, I'll find it, you know? Remember that. Don't stomp the bearing. So, 1/4. One more. I'm still looking for that fucker. Probably flew away over there. Bastard. Bastard. Didn't know you were there. I haven't eaten breakfast, so I'm kind of weak. Let's keep twisting it. Come on, fucker. Fuck, that one is hard. Damn, that one was hard to do. Okay. Now I lost the spacers. Oh, here it is. Done, boy. Damn, it's hard. It's definitely nice to have a bearing press. Those are good to have if you do a lot of bearing changing. But nothing a tough fist don't do. Oh, there's the washer. It's right here in front of me. Look at that. What a fucking blind ass. Yep. So I put that one back in my pocket. We'll put that back. Yeah, it's right there. Blind ass. Oh shit, we didn't put that one in. Okay, no washers in my hand, okay? So don't lose it. Bearing down, bearing down. There you go. One quarter. Ah, there you go. Take it for a spin. Alright, man. There it is. Ethan Lloyd. Ethan Lloyd, Ethan Lloyd. 1, 2, 3, 4. How does it look? Pretty good, right? Be nice. Sick for a ride. Woo! Let's come over here. Get some light. How about now? Yeah, here we go. Alright, man. Here you go. Skateboard knowledge. I hope you learned something. If not, fuck it. There you go. That's how you place your wheels when you get some. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Alright, enjoy. Always keep on rolling. You'll see me have fun, you see me quit. Alright? Running water and go stale. That's why I say keep on rolling. Enjoy.